Hey, man, the Mayhem here, and today we're having a quick look at the VCELINK RJ45 network cable tester. At work we use these cable testers all the time, so I thought it was about time that I got one for the channel, unboxed it and showed you guys what it was all about. So let's get it unboxed. So let's just quickly start with the instructions on the card. So basically it says here that to make sure the cable's working properly, you should have continuity across the board, so master light 1 will light up at the same time as remote light 1, and so on and so forth, all the way 1 through 8. If we've got any open circuits or shorts, they'll come on in pairs or together, like you can see here. And if they've been miswired, you'll see that the lights won't line up at all. Really simple, really easy to use. Just need to make sure you don't use this with any PoE, power over Ethernet devices. On the back, just a quick warning, saying to keep away from small children and keep it out of moisture unless it's designed for wet use, which this one really isn't. So here's the device itself. Comes apart into 2 pieces. You've got your remote here and you've got your master here. On the end we have got RJ45 and RJ11, so old telecom port. On the remote side we've got a RJ45 and an RJ11. So this is made to work in 2 formats. You can either run it like this where everything's together, if your cable can reach nicely, and if not, you can actually undo it and have things on separate ends like so. So it's a really simple device to use. All we need to do is grab an RJ45 cable, plug it into both ends. And now we can just turn it on, and fingers crossed, if this cable is made correctly in the factory, we will have all our lights lighting up with continuity. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's it, working perfectly there. And if that's a bit too fast for you to read, what you can do is actually slow it down by putting it through to S. So we can actually see that the light here will flash, and it should flash every single time this moves on, so we can tell when it should and shouldn't be moving and that everything is set up correctly. So as you can see here, this is Cat5e and it's all wired correctly. This next cable that I've got here isn't 4 twisted pairs, it's just 2 twisted pairs. So as you'll see when I turn this on, we won't get the same pattern that we got before of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We should get something completely different as far as the pins go. So let's have a look ski. As you can see on this cable here, we have got 1, 2, 3, and then pin 6. And that's everything for that one there. And as I said previously, we can actually take apart the device and move it to different ends if we need to be able to do that. To be honest, that's all there really is to this device. I've got some more advice about making network cables coming shortly. So fingers crossed we'll have a bit of a series about different testers, different cable makers, and the process of being able to build our own RJ45, Cat5 and Cat6e cables. Right, I hope you enjoyed this. Happy hacking. Catch you next time.